What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to put together a zip lighter. So first you need to introduce the wick in that little hole. Here is the wick. I had to put it because it was really hard to do it with the camera over me. So first you need to take your pliers and put them inside the zippo. And then you just take it down. Yeah. Not too much, not too little. You just need to let the wick from the chimney like that. Then you need to press it and make like kind of an S while you put the cotton. So you need to put the cotton, and then you start putting the wick like an S, and you will start pressing the cotton down. You can take the pliers and put them in and for them to help you putting some pressure. Okay. Now you put this piece of cotton over the ladder. Yeah. Now you can take your flint out of the zippo flint case. You just put it together inside the zippo. If you want to know how to do this, you can go and check one of my videos about how to change the zippo flint. Okay. So now we need to put the spring and everything together. Yeah. So first I'm gonna take put the spring together, and you put the spring here. So where do you put the flint? And you need to press this down. Oh shoot. Kind of an accident over here. Here is a piece. And you take this, you take it down, and you start to roll over it with your hand. Then you can take, I don't know, your pliers, your screwdriver, and screw the Phillips flathead screw. Then you confirm if it makes flint, and it starts because the cotton had a little bit of alcohol. Okay, YouTube, please subscribe and thumb up. Thank you.